Here we are with a White Magic 1200 PTO, and what we're going to do is adapt this final stage coolant access point heat exchanger, and we've already figured out how we're going to do it. And what we're basically, the return line is going to be spliced off, and it's going to reconnect to here and then return back on the original line back to your engine. So it's coming off the core on the inlet, and then this will be the final stage, and we'll run the water in series. So the high pressured out from this coolant heat exchanger won't go up to the top here on the left side. It will actually reconnect down to here, and then we'll add another one here to reconnect back up here. Now your final stage, of course, is right here, the one with the ball valve that terminates out through here. We have our unloader, we have our water coming in. So your water coming in comes up and then comes right straight up into your unloader. And it's a pretty easy connection. As you can see, it's using a 5 CP pump. And I know White Magic has been out of circulation for probably 10 or 15 years now. But we at Blue Baron Truck Mounts will help you in any way we can to ensure that your 1200 PTO unit is well serviced, and we build replacement heat exchangers for these truck mounts, and to add volume and storage capacity will improve the heat on this unit. As of course, as they get older, they lose conductivity of the pipes inside. This is a high pressure, 3,500 pounds pressure rated access point heat exchanger. So it's very well built, and it's not like some of these that have cast iron or carbon steel casings where they just rot out. This thing will last forever. It's got a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. We're going to have this mounted over here in the middle between the two seats. This will be facing the machine, so our water connections will come in, and it's pretty straight up. And we're going to be using our JIC Navy military standard flares, male flares, and we have our own shop that builds all these stainless steel braided hoses. So we're going to get this 1200 to get hotter and improve its heat, and it'll just make things all together easier for their cleaning. So anyways, we'll have a final stage video that shows the interconnections and the hoses that we added in order to make this installation happen. Call us today at 727-505-2989. Ask for Pete Garland, and we're builder of the Blue Baron Truck Mounts. Visit us on our store at truckmountstore.com 24/7. And we'll help you out in any way we can to save money. Thank you.